A man went to buy a parrot. A parrot cage at a bird shop was labeled, bilingual, $20. The other parrot cage was labeled, for language available, $40. The man, hesitating between the two parrots, found another one inside the store. The parrot grew old, and its beak cracked, and its feathers were not very pretty. Nevertheless, the cage was labeled $80. The man, who thought it strange, asked the shopkeeper, "Can this parrot speak 8 languages?" Replied the shopkeeper, "No, not at all." Asked the man again, "Then why did you price this old parrot high?" Replied the shopkeeper with a smile, "That's because the other two call this parrot CEO." Prices and values are different. Leaders should always look back on themselves to see if they are worth their high salaries and whether they are performing well enough to match that value.